Welcome to the 4 and 6 software. I'm here to demonstrate the software program. Let's check how the program works.
Looking for a powerful solution to restore BKF data into standard file format? If yes, download the 4 and 6 BKF Repair Wizard software designed with special forensic features. To know more about the software, please watch the video. Tap on the Open button and select BKF File option. Select Choose File or Choose Folder to browse BKF file from your system. We are choosing the Choose Folder option to browse BKF folder from system and then tap on Select Folder button. Now, check the required BKF folder in the software panel. As you see now, all the files from the folder are listed one by one in the software interface. Go to Action button and choose Extract option to save the process of BKF files. Then, mark the required folder for conversion and unmark the rest folder. Go to Browse option and pick a location to save BKF files conversion result. Now, let's understand the advanced functions of the tool one by one. The first is Delete old folders. If you want to delete previously converted data from the destination folder, then please enable this option. Open folders after export is done. If you enable this feature, then the target folder where the output file is saved automatically opens after the conversion. Finally, go to the Save button and see the live process of BKF file conversion. Click on Open Folder button, and see the extracted BKF files. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment box. To watch more 4 and 6 software videos, please subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.